Hello everyone, today's topic is Software Testing Fundamentals Training. Welcome to GoLogica. Now we discuss about software testing, Fundamentals Training Roadmap, about course eligibility criteria, salaries, roles, and responsibilities about training. Now we are discussing about the course Software Testing. Fundamentals course is designed to provide participants with a strong foundation in software testing principles, methodologies, and best practices. The course covers the core concepts of software testing, ensuring that learners understand its importance in the software development lifecycle. It introduces the different types of testing, such as functional and non-functional testing, and explores various testing levels, including unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and user acceptance testing. Participants will also learn about common software testing techniques like black box testing, white box testing, and exploratory testing. These techniques help in identifying defects and ensuring that the software meets the specified requirements. The course emphasizes the role of software testers in maintaining software quality and reliability. It delves into test case design, execution, and defect tracking while providing hands-on experience in writing and executing test cases effectively. The course also introduces test management tools and defect tracking systems that help testers organize and manage their testing efforts efficiently. Additionally, this course covers both manual and automated testing approaches, giving participants an understanding of when and how to use automation tools to enhance testing efficiency. Industry standard automation frameworks such as Selenium, JUnit, and testing may also be introduced to provide a practical learning experience. One of the critical aspects of this course is test planning and risk management. Learners will understand how to create a structured test plan, identify potential risks, and implement mitigation strategies to ensure high-quality software delivery. They will also gain insights into performance testing, security testing, and usability testing, which play a crucial role in software quality assurance. The course focuses on real-world scenarios and best practices, equipping participants with the knowledge and skills required to tackle real-time testing challenges. Participants will be able to apply software testing techniques confidently in a professional environment. They will have the ability to analyze software requirements, develop test cases, execute tests, and report defects effectively. This is ideal for beginners who want to start a career in software testing, as well as for developers and IT professionals looking to enhance their testing skills. With a combination of theoretical knowledge and practical application, this course serves as a solid stepping stone for anyone interested in software quality assurance and testing. Now we will learn about eligibility criteria for software testing, fundamentals, training, educational background. No specific degree is required, but having a basic knowledge of computers or IT is helpful. Who can join? Oh, beginners who want to start a career in software testing. Oh, software developers who want to learn testing. Oh, IT professionals looking to switch to software testing. Oh, project managers and business analysts who want to understand testing. Technical knowledge. A basic understanding of software and how it works is useful, but not necessary. Knowing a programming language, like Java or Python, is helpful for automation testing, but not required for manual testing. Skills needed. Good attention to detail, problem-solving skills, and an interest in software quality. Work experience. No prior experience is needed. Both freshers and working professionals can join. This course is open to anyone who wants to learn software testing, even with no prior experience. Next, we are knowing about the salary, roles, and responsibilities of software testing manual tester. Executes test cases manually to identify software bugs and ensure functionality meets requirements. Typically earns an average salary of $50,000 to $80,000 per year. Automation tester. Develops and runs automated test scripts using tools like Selenium, JUnit, or testing to enhance testing efficiency, can expect to make between $70,000 to $110,000 per year. Quality assurance, QA, engineer, ensures the overall quality of software by designing test plans, performing functional and non-functional testing, and reporting defects. The salary range is generally around $65,000 to $100,000 per year. Performance tester conducts load, stress, and performance testing using tools like JMeter to assess system stability under various conditions. With expertise in performance testing, can earn between $80,000 to $120,000 per year. Security tester, penetration tester, identifies vulnerabilities in software applications and ensures security compliance using tools like Burp Suite and OWASP, ZAP. Generally makes between $85,000 to $130,000 per year. Test lead test manager oversees testing teams, defines testing strategies, manages test execution, and ensures project deadlines are met. Typically earns between $90,000 to $140,000 per year. Software development engineer and test develops and maintains test automation frameworks and integrates testing into the development process. With strong coding skills, can earn between $100,000 to $160,000 per year. User acceptance tester, UAT tester, works closely with end users to validate that the software meets business needs before deployment. The salary range is generally around $60,000 to $95,000 per year. The last topic is the training program, the GoLogica Software Testing Fundamentals. Training offers comprehensive instruction to help you master the core principles of software testing. This course is designed to equip learners with the essential skills required for manual and automated testing, ensuring software reliability and quality. With a hands-on approach, you will gain expertise in executing test cases, identifying defects, and using industry-standard tools for test management. Throughout the course, you will cover fundamental concepts such as types of testing, black box, white box, and gray box, test planning, test case development, and execution. You will also learn about defect reporting, debugging, and collaboration with developers to resolve issues efficiently. The training includes in-depth knowledge of testing levels unit, integration, system, and acceptance testing, and testing methodologies like Agile and V-Model. Additionally, you will explore automation testing, learning how to use tools like Selenium, Junit, and testing to enhance testing efficiency. This training is ideal for both beginners and experienced professionals looking to enter or advance in the field of software testing. GoLogica provides flexible learning options, allowing you to complete the course at your convenience while receiving expert guidance from industry professionals. Whether you're starting your career in testing or aiming to upgrade your skills, this training prepares you for the high-demand field of software quality assurance. Upon successful completion, you will receive a certification validating your expertise, boosting your career prospects. GoLogica also provides resume building assistance and interview preparation sessions to help you secure job opportunities in software testing. With this training, you will be well prepared to excel in software quality assurance and contribute to delivering high-quality software products.